need to assemble the dump truck. That's all. And now let's load crushed stone into the dump truck. Done! Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. We need to fix a crack on the dump truck. You're doing really great. And now let's grind the seam. Ready. Choose the same color as in the cloud. Keep it up.